What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chamaka Ukebo. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get the perfect nude lips. If you're ready to see this, kindly stick with me and then you get to see more. Thank you. So starting off, this is me prepping my lips with the Nivea Men Balm, something around that. So I'm just prepping my lips. I have really dry lips and I'm patting off the excess from my lips just so it is moisturized. Then you're using a brown pencil. I'm using the Davis pencil. If you're in Nigeria, this is pretty cheap. I'm just using the pencil to outline my lips, just around the cupid's bow, underneath and everywhere. So now I'm going in with my concealer. I think this concealer is in either Warm Honey or Toffee. I think this is Warm Honey. So I'm just going to apply it on my lips and try to pat it in by putting my lips together so it sits really well into the lips. And then I try to spread it around my lips just everywhere. It doesn't necessarily have to be neat right now. As you go, it gets better. You blend it along the line. So I'm just trying to draw the concealer into the brown I outlined. I want it to be a full nude lip. Then I use the bottom of the brush I used. I'm using it to spread it out and also blend as I go. So you know, with makeup it's all blend so that you do not look like a masquerade. So blend. This was perfect, but I went in again with more concealers just so it pops. But this was perfect. It's not as bright as it looks. I don't know. I used a new background and I didn't consider that I didn't know it was this white on camera, like white. So since there is nothing at the background to give a cast, it's just casting on my skin. So that's it. So blend, go back in, blend. Now I tried spreading it along the line and trying to blend it more into that brown. That's it. Blend. And then I went back in with my brown pencil to give that outline again, because while blending, I have taken out that outline. I want to give it more brown. So in as much as I want a full lips, I also want the outline to be there, so it blends seamlessly into my skin, the concealer, my skin, my lip outline, and everything is just seamless. So that's it. And then you go back in and then you blend again. Makeup is blend. There's no two ways about it. So if you're a gloss girl, you could always throw on a gloss, a clear gloss, a nude gloss, however you want it, however you like it. But I wanted to try a gloss, but I decided against it. Alright, so this is how you do the nude lips. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Chamaka and I'll see you in my next video. Do not comment, like, comment and subscribe. Love you. Ciao.